Hi everybody, it's time to make tea again. Today, my ladybird has said to me that my tea making must begin with cardamom. Cardamom is a relative of ginger, and it's a really fantastic herb. When we work with it, we like to do it in this form, where it's in the whole pods. And inside of there, if you were to break that open, you get those little brown, hard little seeds. But we're gonna take just a pinch full of these. You don't need a ton of cardamom. Well, maybe another pinch. You know. It's a big tea.
Yeah, I like cardamom.
It's a big tea container. So we're gonna start with that. And I'm thinking that maybe we go next with some rose petals. And I'm thinking that because we had a really delightful, beautiful elixir from King's Road Apothecary, long may they live in our memories and hearts, that was cardamom and rose based. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some rose petals right in here. The cardamom has that like nice earthy, spicy, warming wintertime goodness to it. The rose has, of course, the rose aromatics and that light, friendly, delightful smell that just makes your heart feel good, like someone loves you. So we're gonna put that in there. And then I think I'm gonna put in some Tulsi, because you can't go wrong with Tulsi. And really, in terms of flavor here, it's a nice blend between the kind of like spiciness with the pungency of the cardamom and the light aromaticity of the rose. So I think Tulsi is a nice, not compromise, but a nice middle point between those two flavors.
Is aromaticity a word?
It is now. Yeah. And, oh, I know what. We're going to make this one really special, and we're going to put in some Evening Primrose flowers. These, we don't have very many, but we did gather these flowers from our Evening Primrose plants growing in the garden this year, and they dried up nice and light and lovely. They have, oh, wow. Yeah, I wish you could smell this, but they're amazing. They smell like happiness, and I'm going to put a whole bunch of them in there for us today, and we are going to thoroughly enjoy that. So this tea will warm our bellies, it will warm our hearts, it will warm our feelings, and we will just be having a lovely evening together. That's how that goes.
I think I'm gonna like this.